Morning, guys. Another beautiful morning. Back at it again with another vlog. Heading to work. Honey? Yeah, boy? Sleeping, probably. Lucky. Ronnie, you driving tomorrow. I'm sleeping. Alright, guys. Let me get to it. Yeah, boy? Yeah, boy. Go to the door. Lunchtime now. Bon appetit. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Working hard. Yeah, boy. So you gotta feel that in country. But the door is gone. Done work, headed home. How was your day, Ronnie?
Good.
Good day?
Huh?
What you did?
Tried to sleep.
Trying to sleep?
Be quiet, I'm trying to sleep. I couldn't sleep.
Alright, I'm going home. Gotta work on that window on the Cadillac, see if we can get it fixed. My brother-in-law coming over in a little bit. Hopefully we can get it fixed. If not, I'll just put a 2x4 in there and stay up all the time. Alright.
Yeah, boy.
Bon appetit!
Yeah. Steak. It's going down for real?
Going down for real? Yeah, boy. All fixed. I had to go buy a regulator. I think it's called. I'm not sure. I got it fixed already. I'll show you, but she already left somewhere. I had to buy. This is the old one. This is it's all fixed and good to go. Yeah, boy. All right. Time to go eat. Well, finish eating. What a day. Finally over. Showered. Now I'm just gonna chill out and relax. Start to get this edited and uploaded. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, boy.
No. How do you know you're gonna have presents?
Because I know.
What if
I'm not dumb.
What if I didn't buy you anything? I'm just gonna give you 9 spankings. With a big shoe.
What do you want them to do?
We want you to like and subscribe and give us a comment down below. Yeah, boy!